Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I have an exciting video today. Yesterday I went to one of my favorite stores. Yes, the Louis Vuitton store, and I got the 1854 medium never full bag, and I cannot wait to show it to you, so stay tuned. I purchased the since 1854 never full medium bag, and I love it, and so I was saving it to unbox with you guys. Okay, so are you guys ready for this? Because I'm so excited. I'm gonna pull it out of the bag. Okay. And then you see the nice box that says Louis Vuitton. Hey. Okay, so I'm going to untie the bow or ribbon. And I'm going to try to open it. Okay, it opens this way. I'm going to open it up, and let me move my camera a little bit so you can see it. Yay! Okay, here's the sleeve. My purse is in here. And here is my empty box, and I love to use these for storage containers. So here we have the dust bag that you can store your purses in to keep them from getting dusty if you want to. So now I'm going to reveal the bag. So excited. Okay, how exciting. This is a little different for me. Normally I go with the traditional monogram purse, and this one's a little different. So here we go. Look, beautiful. Isn't she beautiful? So this is called the 1854 pattern. It's called 1854 because Louis Vuitton was founded in the year 1854. This design came out in 2020. It has a new vintage type look to it. One thing that I do like about it is that it is gray, it has black, and it has some white, so it will go with a lot of different colors opposed to that traditional leather brown that we see. It has a fabric, it has leather, it has gold trimming, and I'll let you guys see inside. Oh, look how cool. It also has a detachable little pouch, so I can store things in here as well that matches. So it looks like this. How cool is that? And then here is the inside of it. It has this really nice black inside with a zipper pocket. It has the thing that holds the little pouch in place to hold it closed. It also has a little clasp. And I'm not sure if I told you this or not, but it is designed after a 1960s wallpaper. So there we go. It has these little things that hang down. So I think it's going to be so cute, and I'm so excited to have this. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. And I just wanted to share this with you guys so that you could kind of see and have an idea what it looks like. I know it's close to Christmas. Feels so good, and it definitely has the quality that you would expect from a Louis Vuitton purchase. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.